Hey everybody, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. Hey, I got another pretty good update for you on a pretty decent tool deal here sent in by one of our subscribers today. Now, we had already updated you on some of the Ryobi tool deals and some Milwaukee deals of the day over at Home Depot. But then no sooner than I got that video uploaded than John James sent us this information here that I'm going to show you. So let's go right to it here. And this here is a DeWalt Brushless 3-tool kit here. Now, if you look at these tools, it looks like this tool is aimed more at the woodworking type person or a wood hobbyist, because you've got the jigsaw over here, and you also have this is the 5-inch orbital sander, and then you have the multi-tool here. And the kit, of course, comes with a charger here and a 4 amp hour battery, and the big heavy-duty carrying bag here, the contractor's bag. Now, this one here, this kit is $299, and they normally sell it here for $399. So that's $100 off. That's a major price drop there. Now, what's interesting about this kit is, like in our store, for example, this kit is not in our store. I've never seen this kit before in our store. So it looks like it's an online-only deal for now, and they are saying on here, hurry, low in stock. So if you are still deciding and you're on the fence and you're hemming and hawing, I would say don't sit up on that fence too long, because usually when something says hurry, low in stock, a good deal like this just disappears pretty fast here. So that's why I kind of jumped at the chance to get this quick, short video done so we could advise you folks of this deal here. But now you're probably wondering, well, how good a deal is this particular toolkit here? So let's go and take a look. Let's bounce this off of maybe another site or two. Okay, so we come over here to ToolNut, and you can see that ToolNut is selling this kit for $399. That's the full retail price. That's what everybody sells it for. And usually what we notice, this is why whenever I see something that one store claims to be on sale, I always bounce it off the other stores online just to see, like a sanity check, is it really on sale? Is it a good price? And so you can tell that that price at Lowe's is pretty good. But as soon as that thing sells out, it's either going to disappear or it bounces right back up to the $399 again. You can bet that that price is likely to go back up again or disappear altogether. Now we come over here to Max Tool, and what? $419. Holy cow, man. Yeah, these guys are greedy. I feel like Michael Douglas now in the movie Wall Street. Greed is good. So that's a pretty steep price there. Then you can see over here, Amazon.com doesn't even carry this one. So this is one of those rare kits. It might be sort of like a Lowe's only, or maybe Lowe's and a couple of other places. This isn't available on Home Depot, and Amazon doesn't even have it, which is odd. So usually that says to me those are like exclusive type kits that you'll only see in one place. And I've never even seen that kit in any Lowe's store, only online here on this deal. Okay, now I did go back into Lowe's this evening because I wanted to check on a couple of things like the Metabo table saw, and also to see if they had this 3-tool kit in there. So I go in there, and here you can see me posing with, this is a kit that I found. It's not the same kit. It is a similar 3-tool kit with a different configuration, and that it comes with 2 batteries. So let's check out, and this turns out to be $279, which is $20 cheaper than the kit I just showed you. But let's take a closer look in the shopping cart here. I want to see if it's any different. Okay, so as we can see here, the difference in the kit is this isn't necessarily woodworking themed as much as the previous kit was. So this kit, it's still a 3-tool kit, but it's basically got the drill driver in it and the impact driver, and it's also got the multi-tool, and it's got 2 what looks like probably 1.5 amp hour batteries that come in this kit. Okay, and of course they make you put this into the cart to see the price. I hate it when they do that. Just more clicks. So they're saying estimated total there is $279. Let's view the cart and actually make sure that that's what it is here. Oops, we got to remove something. Yeah, so yeah, Hold on, I had to empty out the cart first. Let's go back there, add it to the cart, view the cart. So there it is, $279, the same price as what I showed you in store. Now, let's see. It doesn't say really whether it's discounted from any price or not. I just want to real quick check this off of another site. All right, so here we are over at Acme Tools. So, okay, Lowe's is $20 cheaper for the same kit here. And those are really the only two things that I wanted to look for. And also, let me just show you something we found with an update here on the Metabo table saw. This thing's just going like a roller coaster here. It's on, and it's on again, it's off again. We're having a hard time keeping up with this one. So you remember when we did our live stream the other night, we showed you this Metabo table saw at the Lowe's over in Fort Myers, and we showed you, hey, look, the price. So you remember we showed you the other night that it had gone back up to $569 in the Fort Myers store. Well, then tonight I managed to get back into our store, and you can see here that it's back up to $569 in the store. And there's the close-up there of your price sticker there, confirming it. They've already changed the sign. They still have one box left in stock there in the store. But then check this out. So back here on Lowe's, on the website, we pull up the table saw, and you can see it's $349 there. So it's really strange here. Now they'll deliver it, and it does say hurry, low in stock. So who knows? Maybe when it gets low in stock, they tell the stores to take off the sale price. I don't know. I can't figure out their logic on this one. But if you were looking to get that table saw, you can still get it now, but you have to go online. I would check your local store. You can also go in there and show the manager this online price here and see if they'll match it. A lot of times the stores will match the online price. And if they don't, then you can just simply buy it online. And here it even says it's unavailable for pickup. Let me see if it's in any of our other stores. Well, they're not really showing it. So there you have it, folks. You have to get it online if you want to get this Metabo table saw here. So I just wanted to remind you that earlier today we uploaded this video right here where we put a whole bunch of special links here leading to the different versions of discounts here for Ryobi and Milwaukee. So you can see it's right here pinned in the top comment here. So these are the special links that take you deep into Home Depot, so you don't have to keep going and searching and searching and searching. So I gave you a link here to the brushless. That's the new HP series of the 6 tools that are coming out in the one kit. And just basically this takes you directly into different parts of the sale and the Ryobi buy one, get one, the battery promotion. And same thing with some of the DeWalt Toughsystem here in the Milwaukee here. So make sure you go and check this video out. We did the same thing on Friday here. Here's our links here that we created for all of the DeWalt here. So we did something similar here where we created all of these DeWalt Buy More, Save More, the links that take you right into the full list of tools, because there's many more tools there than you see on the website. Well, that's it for tonight, folks. I just wanted to clue you in a couple of quick late-breaking details that we just found out about, and be sure to come back and binge watch all of our videos here. And with that, we will see you folks on the next one, and thanks for joining us.